It's recording.
Yeah, maybe they wanted it there.
It's recording.
I don't think we need to record.
Way to screw it up.
What?
I don't think it's possible to record from there.
I don't know.
Maybe they screwed it up. We screwed up their recording plans. Go put it back.
Should we go put it back?
Yes.
They're going to watch this video of us debating on whether or not we're going to put it back. Sorry for moving this. We didn't know. Amanda, do you want to go put it back?
I don't think you can record the game from the ground.
They're allowed to.
I think they're allowed to. I don't think it.
I don't think
much
it doesn't get a good video. Do you know that?
Do you want to go?